Hi, it's me.
Hello, it's me. I'm alive and I'm very, very hungry. Oh, this battery also flew.
And our trip is over. I was visiting my friend and got even more flowers. Now we have 4 trays flowers. I'm sorry. Oh, I don't think he's happy. So guys, this is some Karankoi's mother of thousands. Look how beautiful. It's really beautiful. Look at this reddish ridge. Normally I spray all my plants when I got them, and so this is what I'm gonna do. If she focus, yes. So this is what I'm gonna do: spray with my solution. Not that I see any pests, but I always do that, so I will just continue, and then I will pot some because I got some tiny ones. Mother of thousands, but cylindrica or something. It's really magnificent, and of course I will share this plant with some friends. That will be amazing, I think. And so yes, let me spray this. Some more what I got. Some of these don't have any name yet, so I have to make a Google search. But aren't these beautiful? This is my new additions. These are amazing. And I got some beautiful euphorbia. I think it's euphorbia. Not sure. And I think this is an euphorbia too. Euphorbia obesa, but it's different, so I like it. And then I think John brought this one up from seed, I think. So that's exciting for me. And this is agave, foxtail agave, I think. And then we have, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right or if this is the right, but I think this is some kind of mammillaria rainbow. As you can see the different colors, and it's amazing. We have another cactus. No focus, no, too close. Yeah, better. And well, we have more and more. Bishop, I don't know what that is. I'm guessing some kind of aloe. And I got some sticklings of, I think this is kind of crassula or something. Oh, come on, focus. Oh, I don't want to focus! Yeah. It looks really, really amazing. So it's beautiful, and I think this is another euphorbia. So yeah, that's a quick overview, and I got more plants from my friends, so I will make some cute things with it. So this is my tiny collection of my plants. So I have my POTHOS Enjoy, my golden POTHOS, and my marble queen, and she is beautiful. So I'm gonna put them together in my mix, so hope they will enjoy. I will put them in my real old clay pot. Reload clip. So, let's see. Beautiful words. Beautiful. More. I'll have to take this out. Oh, it's kind of starting rooting in the pot. So this is the one. This is the other one. I think this will be a beautiful mix. And my POTHOS enjoy. Oh, we need space. Oh, this is gonna be a beautiful mix. I see that POTHOS enjoy is sending out more kind of terrestrial roots, which is quite interesting. The others don't. And they don't look like air roots. That's interesting. So ta-da! So this is my mix. Don't you think it's lovely? I think so. Thank you. Bye!